Hello everybody, this is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Welcome in guys. Please like, ring the notification bell, and make a comment. I really would appreciate it. I welcome all of my new subscribers and all of my existing subscribers. Thank you so much for hanging in here with us. We really appreciate you. Today, the temperature is 87 degrees in my corner of the world. It is a little warm, but not real bad. There is a little bit of a breeze here and there. But guys, I want to show you, and please like the video and run it to the end. I thank you so much for those thumbs up. Okay, I have a box here, and I've already kind of cut the tape and all, but I am doing an unboxing, and this gift comes from a very special person. She is our niece, and she lives in Akron, Ohio, and she is always sending beautiful gifts. She is so thoughtful. So I want to do this unboxing here. They have it very well packed, as you can see, with the styrofoam. And let's see what this says. Set of 4 Illuminated Harvest Votives. And let's see what this says. It's just a little note of where it came from. And it says on the little card here, I'm going to read the card to you. Home. It's where we express love to those we care about most, where we celebrate the simple joys of living and loving. Thank you for selecting this lovely item from our collection. I hope you will enjoy it for many years to come. Blessings, Valerie. Okay, I'm trying to see if there is no name on this, on the little card. But to install or replace batteries, it's battery operated. And I am just going to show you what it looks like. They are beautiful. Oh, I haven't taken them out of the plastic, but I did open the box, but I really didn't look at them. Look at this home. Look at this. It has home on it. And this is the little battery operated that will go in here. At some point in time, I will show you what it looks like when it's lighted, but here it is. That's one, and here is another. They all have the little candle lights to go in, and this one says family. Really cute, and it has the, let's see, I'm gonna take it out. I'll just take this one out. It has the little candle to put a battery in. Okay, that's number 2. And this one is number 3. And they're such beautiful colors. I love the colors, and I love the thoughtfulness of our niece. And this one is Thankful. It has Thankful on it, and it's olive green. So pretty. And this is the last one, and it is beautiful, and it has blessings on it. So these are so beautiful, and these come from our niece in Akron, Ohio. And I'm going to put them all out here on the table and just let you look at the beauty of them. And as I said, when I get the batteries and put in here, I'm gonna come bring you back and show you what they all look like. They are simply beautiful. Look at this. Thankful, family, blessings, and home. What a thoughtful gift. What do you all think? I think they're simply beautiful. So guys, this is Patty. Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. Please like, ring the bell, and give the thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Be blessed and have a great rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Bye.